Okay, so in this question here, we've got tan 2x equals 3 cot x, right? And we're asked to find all the solutions between 0 and 180. So remember with tan 2x, right? That's the double angle rule. And you can easily work it out from the formula booklet, which we've looked at on the previous video. Okay, so basically, if you do the double angle there, you get 2 tan x there over 1 minus tan squared x, right? That's how that works. And that will equal 3 cot x. Now, I'm not going to write it as cot x because the whole idea here is, right, when you solve for an angle, when you try and work out an angle, you want to get it the same function, okay? And that's why, you know, when you've got a double angle, we can get rid of the double angle by putting using the rules that we know, right? But cot, of course, if you think about it, cot is 1 over tan, isn't it? Remember that rule from C3? The third letter is T, so it'll be 1 over tan. So I can rewrite that as 3 over tan. Okay? That's what I've got there. And what I'll do then is I sort of like cross multiply, and I'll take that tan x over that side, yeah? Because I'm dividing by tan x, take it over the other side and times. So I have 2 tan squared x, because tan x times tan x will be tan squared x. And then take this bottom over the other side and times. Okay, so I get that like that, right? Then I'll multiply this out. 3 minus 3 tan squared x. Take that over to the side. So I end up having 5 tan squared x on this side equals 3. Take the 5 over. So it'll be 3/5. And then, of course, tan x. Then I want tan x. That's tan squared x. So, of course, I need a square root. But when I square root, of course, I need to do plus or minus. Like that, right? So, if I've got plus or minus of them, in fact, all I need to do is take the positive one, right? Because then I can use symmetry to work out the minus one. So, if I do that on my calculator, in degree mode, I get out 37.8 degrees, right? Now I need to draw the tan graph between 0 and 180, it says, okay? So maybe every, say, 3 centimeters there will represent 90, but I only have to go to 180, okay, so 180. Of course, at 90 there's an asymptote, you know, because if you type in tan 90 in the calculator, it says math error. And there's your tan graph, okay? And it goes like that, okay? Now, 37.8 degrees is about, say there, roughly. So, you can draw a line across. We see actually there's only one answer. There's no other answer in that range between 0 and 180. So x will equal 37.8 as one answer. Okay. Now remember, it could equal minus root 3 over 5 as well. So if this is root 3 over 5 here, minus root 3 over 5 will be down here, won't it? Okay. It'll be, you know, virtually just the other side. Okay. Minus root 3 over 5 will be there. Now, we've got that solution, haven't we? Trouble is, I don't know what it is. I don't know what that solution is. But if I continue this graph, like that, yeah, you'll realise then that actually that would be minus, wouldn't it, there? That would be minus 37.5, wouldn't it? Because if that's 37.8. Because if that's 37.8, that will be minus 37.8, yeah? Think about the symmetry here. Okay, that's minus 37.8. So in a way then, you're working back from 0, minus 37.8. So you do the same now. You work back from 180 and minus 37.8. Okay? So two answers will be x equals 37.8 and 142. I'm going to check this. Yeah, 142.2, yeah? Okay, so using symmetry does really help us get to the answers.